We are going to talk about going from word form to number form with decimals out to the thousandths place. So first we need to read the words. 3 and 732 thousandths. Everything to the left of the and, I'm just going to write down like I normally would. 3. Where the and is, I put a decimal point. 3 and. The only time I ever say and in a number is where there's a decimal point. Then it says 732 thousandths. Now this last word here is the last name of the number. That thousandths is telling us there's going to be 3 decimal places. So 3 and 732 thousandths. The first name of those decimal places is 732. So I make it say 732. To check it over, I make sure that it's said the same way that it's read. 3 and 732 thousandths. 3 and 732 thousandths. Checks out. Next one. 4 and 17 thousandths. I write down 4 and, wherever there's an and, I put a decimal point. Then it says 17 thousandths. Now the thousandths tells me there's going to be 3 decimal places. Now 17, if I just write 17 down, that's only 2 places. So I have to make sure it says 17 and I have to make sure there's 3 places. So I put a 0 here and then the 17. Now if I put the 17 down and then put a 0, that actually says 170, which would be incorrect. We need to make sure that it says 17 because it's 4 and 17 first name, thousands last name. So 4 and 17 thousandths. Said the same way it's read. And let's go down to this one. 1 and 7 thousandths. 1 and first name 7, last name thousandths. The thousandths tells me there's going to be 3 decimal places, and the first name is 7. So I have to put down 3 places, and it has to say 7. So it needs to be 0, 0, 7. If I put down 7, 0, 0, that says 700. So it's said 1 and 7 thousandths. It's read 1 and 7 thousandths. Last one, 2 and 30 thousandths. 2 and 30 first name, thousandths last name. Thousandths tells me there's going to be 3 decimal places. 30 is the first name. I need to make it say 30 with 3 decimal places. So 2 and 30 thousandths. Said and read the same way.